Yesterday, the US stock indexes closed at fresh highs. The S&P 500 opened today with a 0.1% uptick. Tomorrow, the Federal Reserve is due to unveil the official funds rate and other settings of monetary policy. Besides, investors expect the regulator to shed light on further moves in monetary policy. Earlier, the Bank of Japan's governor has already called on his American counterpart to keep Treasury yields in check. The Dow Jones is now at 32,960 points, with the prospects for a further climb towards 32,600 to 33,200. The US dollar index is holding at 91.80. It's expected to remain in the corridor of 91 to 92.50 until the US Fed makes the policy statements. As expected, the Canadian dollar reached the downward target of 1.2450, thus inviting buyers back to the market. Now sellers are planning short positions on the USD CAD pair at 1.2400 to 1.2500. In the morning today, Bitcoin was carrying on with its downward correction. The number one cryptocurrency fell nearly 8% in the latest 24 hours. In the first half of the trading day, Bitcoin sank to about $54,500 per token. The peers are again holding the upper hand. However, analysts do not foresee a steep drop of the Bitcoin price. If the most popular cryptocurrency declines to $45,000, the lowest mark of the latest correction, this will confirm the downtrend. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is able to attract new investors who are waiting for a downward correction to buy the asset at price dips. The coronavirus pandemic played havoc with the global economy. It goes without saying that the prospects of the economic recovery depend on progress in the mass vaccination. The vaccine by AstraZeneca worsened relations between the European Union and Great Britain due to concerns over the health safety. A number of European countries, including France, Italy and Germany, made a decision to suspend the use of the vaccine. Meanwhile, in Europe, coronavirus rates are going down, even in the most affected countries, France and Italy. During the pandemic peak, those countries reported 25,000 new cases daily. Now this number decreased to 15,000 new cases on a daily basis. To sum up, global markets have come to a standstill. The Fed's policy announcements will set markets in motion tomorrow. And that's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.